everybody, it's Lene. I just wanted to introduce you to this oldie but goodie tool by Spellbinders. It is called the Tool-in-One, and I use this multiple times a day. I can't live without it, and I wanted to share it with you. So what it does is it's absolutely imperative to have one of these if you use a lot of cutting dies in your crafts, and I use them every single day. What's great about this tool is it has a brush that helps remove all those little bits and pieces that won't come out of your cutting dies, and also a little pokey tool. But then inside of it, there's a little secret hidden compartment. And it's got this little, sort of a little palette, little scraper thing. And I'll show you how these things work. All right, so I'm gonna put this back together. Okay, now you just push down this part, kind of as a spring in there. So you push it down, the tip, and you can take this tool out, set it aside. And this has got little notches in it, so you can decide how far you want to keep it out. If you want to keep it out that far, that's great, or you can push it down lower. I love the adjustability of that. So here's a cutting die that has lots of little pieces and things in it. So let me show you first how to use this little guy. You just push down here, and it helps you loosen up the larger areas. Okay? Also, the little brush for all those little fine detail things helps you loosen them up from the back side of the die. So you just hold it like this, and it'll help you release these tricky cutting dies that sometimes if you try to pull them off, you're afraid you're going to tear them because they're really highly detailed. So you just do this first, and then it's just going to come off so much easier. There we go. Look at that. And then, so you've got all these little pieces in here. Now, you can either put the pokey tool thing back on, or you can just use your brush again. So turn it back over to the opposite side, and then just go over that. And that brush is just going to clean out all of those pieces. So you're not sitting there forever with, you know, your X-Acto knife or your bended paper clip trying to get all these pieces out. So this tool has made my life so much easier. Wanted to make sure that you all knew what it was and that you could check it out. Look at that. I just got a couple little things, that little piece there. Take my pokey tool, and it's all set. So definitely check out the Tool-in-One.